And now from Zale Studio, it's ZWTV.
Good morning, Panthers. I am Yari.
And I'm Rochelle. Today is Friday, December 13th, 2019.
Today's lunch is Italian dunkers or shredded beef or Southwest bean burrito bowl with cilantro lime rice.
That sounds delicious.
Now to Destiny with today's weather.
Good morning, Panthers. I am Destiny. Today's going to be very cold today, so dress warm. The high is 20 and the low is 10. Now, back to you in the studio.
Today's fun fact is the average person's left hand does 56% of the typing when using the proper position of hands on the keyboard. Hunting and pecking doesn't count.
Wow, I never knew that.
Hey, Rochelle, why is 9 afraid of 7?
I don't know, Yari.
'Cause 7, 8, 9.
That's funny. Did you know the amount of water we have on Earth has always been the same? In other words, when dinosaurs were around, it simply got recycled by nature over and over again.
As there is no way of getting new water, we need to conserve the supply we have. In the developed world, many people waste water. Make sure your family is not guilty of this.
Now, here's the answer for this week's Mystery Science question and next week's question.
Hey, Zanewood scientists, Mr. Duffy here. So I didn't get a chance last week to film an answer to the question of why do we see our breath when it's cold out. But I thought today, given that it's so snowy out right now, this would be a good opportunity to explain it. So here's what I wanted to show you. So if you look at my coffee here, and I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I can see white puffs of steam coming out of both my breath and off the top of the coffee. And what we're gonna see here, especially like tomorrow, in the next couple of days, is that it's gonna get really, really cold. And when we see our breath, that's because the water in our breath. So we actually, when we breathe out moisture, and that water in our breath actually freezes and does this thing that we call condensing. It condenses. So it condenses into water and sometimes ice. And when it gets really, really cold, like it's going to tomorrow, it can get so cold that when you throw hot water in the air outside, it actually freezes into ice and snow almost immediately, which is pretty crazy. But I have a question for you for this week. My question for you this week is, why is it, I don't know if you've heard this, but why is it that they say all snowflakes are different? Every snowflake is unique. Why is that? What are snowflakes and why do they look the way they do? Think about it, and we'll talk about it at the end of the week. Bye.
Thank you for joining us.
And make it a great day, Panthers.